Have you ever wondered how you can make money with yoga instructor training? Welcome, friends. Today we're talking about yoga instructor training, a realm of potential not just for personal growth and health, but for financial well-being too. With the right training and mindset, you can transform your passion for yoga into a lucrative venture. And we're not just talking about teaching classes, there are myriad ways to generate income from yoga. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 5 ways you can make money with yoga instructor training. Firstly, one of the most popular ways to earn money after yoga instructor training is by offering private yoga classes. This approach provides a myriad of benefits for both parties involved. As an instructor, you have the freedom to tailor each session to your students' specific needs, making the experience more meaningful and impactful. Moreover, private classes allow you to build strong relationships with your students, fostering a sense of trust and loyalty. This not only enhances your teaching experience but also ensures a steady stream of income. Now let's talk about setting your own rates. This is where the real potential for substantial income lies. By assessing your skills, experience, and the market demand, you can set a fair yet profitable rate. Remember, your expertise is valuable, and the personalized attention you provide in private classes justifies a higher rate. So, offering private yoga classes can be a profitable venture if done right. Secondly, conducting yoga workshops or retreats is another excellent way to monetize your yoga instructor training. Imagine this, a tranquil setting, away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. An opportunity for yoga enthusiasts to delve deeper into their practice, surrounded by like-minded individuals. This is the appeal of yoga retreats and workshops. They provide not just a change of scenery, but also a more immersive yoga experience. These retreats or workshops can vary in length, from a single day to a week or more. They can cover a range of topics such as specific yoga styles, meditation techniques, or even yoga philosophy. And because they often include accommodation, meals, and other activities, they can command a higher price than regular yoga classes. By creating a unique, enriching yoga experience, you can attract a dedicated following willing to invest in these special events. Therefore, conducting yoga workshops or retreats can also be a great source of income. Thirdly, in this digital age, creating online yoga courses can be a lucrative option. The demand for online yoga courses is skyrocketing, thanks to the convenience and flexibility they offer. People from all walks of life are seeking ways to incorporate yoga into their daily routines without the constraints of time or location. Imagine the potential of reaching a global audience, all from the comfort of your own home. By creating a series of comprehensive yoga videos, you could help someone on the other side of the world begin their yoga journey. And the beauty of this approach is that your videos can be accessed anytime, anywhere. But here's the cherry on top, the potential for passive income. Once your courses are live, they can generate revenue round the clock. Each new enrollee contributes to your income, no matter when they sign up. So, creating online yoga courses can be a profitable way of utilizing your yoga instructor training. Fourthly, selling yoga-related products can complement your income as a yoga instructor. Imagine this. You've just completed a refreshing yoga session with your students. They're inspired, they're motivated, and they're asking you about your yoga mat, your attire, or that unique accessory you use. This is the perfect opportunity to share and sell products that you love and trust. From high-quality yoga mats that offer superior grip and comfort, to stylish, breathable yoga clothing, and even yoga accessories like blocks, straps, and essential oils. By selling products you personally use and recommend, you're not only adding a revenue stream, but also providing value to your students. Selling yoga products, therefore, can be an effective way to supplement your income. Lastly, writing a yoga blog or book can also be a creative and profitable way to use your yoga instructor training. Diving into the world of writing opens up avenues for income through advertising on your blog, collaborations with yoga brands, or even through the sales of your very own yoga book. It's an opportunity to share your unique yoga journey, your insights, and the wisdom you've gained from your training. Think about the benefits of your experiences and knowledge being passed on to others, inspiring them on their own yoga paths. The beauty of it, you're not only helping others, but also creating a potential income stream. So writing a yoga blog or book can not only be fulfilling, but also financially rewarding. To conclude, yoga instructor training can open up multiple avenues for earning money. From offering private classes and conducting workshops to creating online courses, selling products, and writing a yoga blog or book. Remember, the key is to find what works best for you and your students. So explore these options and start your journey towards a financially rewarding yoga career today.